Look, I'm just gonna say it. If you're building Laravel apps the way most tutorials teach you, you and probably 99% of devs watching this are making your lives 10 times harder than it needs to be. I'm talking about fundamental approaches that Laravel literally gives you for free, but 99% of developers just ignore them. Stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about building web applications. I've shipped a few Laravel apps in the past couple of years, and honestly, for the first 2 projects I was doing it completely wrong. I was writing hundreds of lines of code that Laravel was ready to handle for me. My controllers were bloated, my code was repetitive, and deployment was a nightmare. Then I locked in and discovered what I'm about to share with you. Here's what I see a lot online. Developers treating Laravel like it's just PHP with extra steps. They write manual validation in controllers, they skip service containers, they ignore policies and gates, and they manually handle things like rate limiting and caching. Why? Because most tutorials focus on getting something working fast, not on building it the Laravel way. You end up with code that's technically functional, but impossible to maintain or scale, and this is exactly what we're trying to avoid. Let's first talk about service containers and dependency injection. Instead of manually creating objects and passing dependencies everywhere, Laravel's container does this automatically. Imagine you have a payment service that needs a logger, a database connection, and an API client. Most people create all of these manually in every controller method. With Laravel's container, you just type hint it in your constructor and boom, everything is wired up automatically. Your code goes from 50 lines of setup to just working. This follows the dependency inversion principle from solid design, making your code infinitely more testable and flexible. Here's another one. Eloquent relationships used correctly. Everyone knows has many and belongs to, but barely anyone uses the powerful stuff. You need all users who made a purchase in the last 30 days and spent over $100. Most developers write a nightmare of joins and where clauses.
What the hell is even that?
Laravel lets you do this with whereas and eager loading in one readable line. But here's the kicker. You can create custom relationship methods and use withCount to avoid n+1 query problems that kill performance. Laravel debug bar shows that apps with proper eager loading can reduce database queries from over 100 per page to under 10. And here's the one that separates hobby projects from production-grade applications. Laravel's queue system combined with Horizon. You have a user uploading a profile picture. Most developers process it immediately while the user waits. That's terrible. With Laravel queues, you add implement shouldQueue to your job class and it runs in the background. The user gets instant feedback. Horizon gives you a dashboard to monitor jobs, balances load, and retries failures. This is infrastructure that companies pay thousands for, and Laravel gives it to you out of the box. Google's research shows that 53% of mobile users abandon sites that take over 3 seconds to load. So why do 99% of developers miss this? Because we're taught to code, not to take advantage of frameworks. We solve problems from scratch, but with Laravel, the problems are already solved. The shift you need is this. Stop asking, how do I build this? And start asking, what's the best way to do this? Here's what I want you to do right now. Open your latest Laravel project and find one place where you're doing something manually. Just one. Refactor that one thing using Laravel's built-in features. That's it. And if you want to better understand Laravel, you must first hone your PHP skills, and the best way to do that is to create cool, unique projects using CodeCrafters, the sponsor of today's video. They are the most rated GitHub repo, and that's for a good reason. Their platform gives you access to unique projects that will help you stand out from the competition without the clown shoes and nose. Want to build an HTTP or DNS server from scratch? Check. Hell, you can even craft your own version of Git, all while others are still struggling to center that annoying div in their to-do app. You can start some projects free of charge, and if you use my link in the description, you can get yourself a whopping 40% off, so hurry up. This was Codehead with yet another tech rant. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Lights out.